Are you looking to expand your business beyond your borders? Stay here and learn about Mexico's thriving business opportunities, as well as regulations on what you need to start working within the country. Mexico has always been an important economic hub for business. It has a privileged location and connection with two of the most important economies in North America. The United States and Canada have and will be economically entangled with Mexico, as they have been since 1988 with NAFTA, and reassured with today's USMCA, which is our current free trade agreement. For 2024, Mexico is forecasting an economic growth of 2.5 to 3.5%, as well as general inflation rate at 4.0%. This reflects a renewed recognition of Mexico's increase in economic activity in regards to commercial relationships with these North American partners, mainly due to shifts in manufacturing locations, or also known as nearshoring. Geopolitical tensions have also given rise to the need to reduce risks and also make efficient manufacturing as well as imports and exports. This has generated benefits for Mexico. For example, many U.S. companies have nearshored its manufacturing production to Mexico due to our geographical proximity to the country and the commercial benefits that the USMCA provides. The IDB itself has anticipated growth within Latin America and Caribbean exports for up to $78 billion for 2023, and has even personally partnered with Mexico with strong certainty towards the country's supply chain reconfiguration opportunities. Mexico itself has enacted tax incentives specifically designed for companies who relocate their supply chain to the country. Incentives include the immediate deduction of long-term assets, as well as a 25% additional deduction for increased training costs. Specific industries have also seen recent growth within Mexico. Fintech companies have been on the rise largely due to Mexico's new financial technology law, which was enacted in past 2021. Confio and Kavak have been two of the country's emerging fintech companies. Also, the legal cannabis industry has yet to develop within the country, although there is widespread expectation that in the near future recreational use will be allowed following the Supreme Court's ruling to strike down the absolute ban on the drug. MUCD currently provides services within the country to obtain legal permits which will allow you to recreationally use the drug. Contact us to book your free first consultation and begin the expansion of your business within Mexico today.